Hi and welcome to AfriHost Answers. Today I'm going to show you how to change your hosting package. Open your internet browser. Navigate to clientzone.afrihost.com. Log in with your credentials. Click on the Hosting tab. Select the domain you want to change. Click on Edit Package. Under the Change to Another Package section, you can see your current package. And below that, you can select the new package you would like to change to from the drop-down menu. Tick the box to show that you understand and accept these terms. Click on Change Package. You have successfully changed your hosting package.
Hi, Jean, CEO of AfriHost here. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you found it useful. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to comment below. And if you want more how-tos and tutorials like this one, please visit answers.afrihost.com.